Welcome to MonroeMotors.com. Here we have a 2021 Corvette C8 Coupe 2LT with Z51. This one is painted in the iconic torch red with the two-tone black and natural interior. We'll start at the rear here. So being the coupe, you do have the glass window here in the hood. As you can see, it's nice and tidy there. Here's your engine itself. It's a 6.2 liter V8 that produces 495 horsepower. This one also has the red engine cover, so you can see it through the glass there. Come back here, we have the carbon fiber roof in the trunk, and it is painted. And this one is painted in carbon flash, so really cool look to it. When the roof is not on the car, so it's on the, it's not in the trunk, it's on the car, you gain all that space, so you can fit quite a bit of luggage back there, even a golf bag or two. Coming to the rear here, I should close that hood here, so I'll close that hood. It does have the soft close when it catches. There we go. I'll zoom out here so you can see the roof is off there. Here's your rear camera mirror. Here's your engine from the outside, so you can see the through the glass there. Really cool, and it has that carbon flash roof there. Really cool looking against that red. Carbon flash badge pack, so the Stingray there. The carbon flash high wing on this car. Really cool looking wing. And we have the NPP performance exhaust that comes with the Z51 package. That allows you to change the exhaust note from loud to quiet or vice versa. And it boosts the horsepower up another 5 horsepower to that 495. Coming to the rear wheels here, we have the 5 open spoke Trident wheel, or sorry, 5 open spoke wheels. They're not the Trident style, and they are painted carbon flash with the machined outer edge. They're Michelin tires all the way around the car. We have a 305/30 ZR20 in the rear. We also have the Z51 performance brakes with the bright red brake calipers. Coming to the front, you can see the wheels here. We got larger brakes in the front. They do say Corvette Z51 on the calipers. And we got a 245/35 ZR19 in the front. Okay, let's make our way to the interior. Two-tone interior, so you got mostly a black door panel. You got the nice baseball stitch here, that's done in the tan color, and we got the natural armrest here. Bose Performance Series sound system. We got the memory package for the passenger. You got power windows, power locks, electronic door release. I'll show you the dash on this side here, so that stitching continues on the dash, and you got those natural highlights there. I'll open the glove box here so you can see it has the owner's manual there. We also have the wheel lock nut there. Here's your door jambs, nice and tidy. Kick plate looks wonderful actually. Nice and clean here. Carpeted floor mats here. You got the 8-way power seats. So you got power bolster and lumbar as well. And we'll scan the condition of the seat here. Again, the two-tone seat. So you got the natural on the outside, the black seat inserts. And these are the GT2 seats. So you can see the exposed carbon fiber here. The whole back is carbon fiber. You got the cool headrests here with the seatbelt straps that come with the GT2 seats. So very nice upgrade. Let's zoom out here so you can see the engine from the passenger compartment right there. Really cool. You see that red engine cover. We have the speaker grill right here in the center, and then you got the wireless charging station here. Okay, let's close this door now. Show the profile of that rear wing here. Looking great. As we move down, you can see the whole carbon flash roof here. The roof is on, there's the seats. We got the body colored side mirrors. And then down here we have the carbon flash full skirts with the triangles there. Looks like it would really help with the aerodynamics on this car. And as we come to the front here, we got the bright LED headlights here, and we have the front spoiler on this car with the cool triangles that match the side skirts there. And you can see the wind would really go through there. We have the front cameras right here on the front. Let's zoom back here so you can see the front trunk is open here. Here's your lid here. Here's your compartment here. So you can fit a duffel bag in here, no problem, a luggage bag. It goes really deep actually. So that's nice. So you got 2 trunks in this car. We got a 12-volt socket here. So that's where you would charge your battery with your trickle charger. And your windshield wiper fluid there. And that'd be your coolant ad there. Go ahead and close the front trunk here. Come back here and you can see that beautiful red shiny paint here. This car already has been 5-stage polished by our team, which all our cars receive before they leave. And you can see how wonderful it looks. I don't really see many flaws in this car. There might be a tiny little skip there from a stone, but very, very minimal. Just paint looks wonderful in this car. Coming to the front wheels here, you can see how they look great. I'll show you that rear wheel. There we are. And back to the door panels. So again, that same stitching continuing here. The Bose Performance Series sound system. We got the memory package for the driver. Power mirrors, power folding mirrors. I'll hit that button there so you can see it function. And we also have blind spot monitors, so that'll light up something that's in your blind spot. You got your power windows here. Power locks, electronic door release, front and rear trunk. Show you the dash on this side here. So you can see it has that slot for the heads-up display. It does have the heads-up. Back to the door jambs. Looking great. Little minor scratches here. Otherwise it looks great. Nice and clean there. Here's your pedals, your carpeted floor mats, your 8-way power seats with power bolster and lumbar. And we'll scan the condition on this side here. You can see they look wonderful. Again, the GT2 seats, a nice upgrade. All right, we'll hop in the car now. Close that door. Here's your vents on the seat. They're nice and sleek. Heads-up display controls are over here. Down here, you got your dash dimming lights and you got electronic parking brake. Up on the steering wheel, you got power tilt and telescopic steering wheel. And then we come here, we have the headlight controls here. Here's your paddle shift for your downshift. Your Z button takes you to your performance pages on your dash. Cruise control settings, and then we got audio on both sides here. You got heated steering wheel, and you got Bluetooth voice command, arrow keys for your digital dash, your upshift with your paddle shift here, and then your windshield wipers over here. Let's go ahead and start the car. It's a push button start. I love the way it sounds when it fires up. We'll zoom out here so you can see that steering wheel. So it's got the flat top, a flat bottom. It's got the natural center point here, so you know where the center of the wheel is. It's got the bump outs here. It's got the natural stitching all the way around the wheel. The Corvette flag's in the center. Come back into the digital dash. So it's a full digital dash. Mileage on this car, right in the bottom left corner, 3,286 kilometers. Nice low kilometer C8. Come up here and show you that visor. It's got the universal garage door opener there. We got the rear camera mirror here, so that's really cool. You can also turn that off and it goes to the light sensitive mirror if you prefer that. I think the vision's better with that, so I like to use that style there. And then we'll come down here. We got the 8-inch touchscreen. So here's your icons here. It does have factory nav, so hit that here so you can see that function there. Come back out. We have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Scroll back. Performance data recorder. Here's your climate controls. It has front camera, as we saw. So there's your front of your car. You can see that spoiler and the side angles here. So when you're approaching a driveway or something like that, you hit that so you know how close you're getting to stuff like that. Forward and reverse now, so you can see it's got the reverse camera there. And then coming down here, you can see it has the automatic transmission controls. It's an 8-speed dual clutch automatic transmission, as all C8s have. So it's a kind of a push-pull design. M puts it into your manual mode so you can use those paddle shifters. Up here we got some buttons here, so you got traction control, and then you got the front camera button here, so a quick way to get to it. And then here we got a dial here, it's a mode selector, so I'll turn it to the beginning here. So we'll start at the bottom here. Under the P it says weather. Let the camera zoom here, there we go. So my mode, so you can customize it. Tour mode, you got sport mode and track mode. So sport and track open that exhaust up so it's louder. If you look at the screen here, you can see it changes the steering, engine, brake, and engines as you turn that dial. Coming back down here to the natural interior piece here, we got 2 cup holders in here. And then along the tower here, you got dual zone climate control, and we have heated and ventilated seats as well. So nice option there with the 2LT. And then we open this up here, we get a black console cover. So let's open that up, put my hand in here so you can see how deep it is. It has USB and auxiliary here as well. Okay, let's hop out of the car. Open that door first, throw on the headlights, and let's give it a couple revs before we exit. Gets up there really fast, it hits those R's. I love the way these Corvettes sound. That's with the NPP exhaust open. We'll come to the front of the car here, show you these headlights on. You can see a wonderful look, so you can see those seats. Not overpowering. The two-tone design really looks great. Nice shiny paint. It's got a full ground effects kit on it. It really tops it off. Love the carbon flash roof on this. Makes it look like the convertibles. And we come back here. See those LED tail lights. And then we got the NPP exhaust at idle there. What a great sounding car. So here we have it. This is a 2021 Corvette C8 Coupe 2LT with Z51 painted in torch red with a two-tone black and natural interior. This is here and available at monroemotors.com. Come down and have a look at this one for yourself. Look forward to seeing you real soon.